Hello everyone, welcome to CMI's Digital Classroom. Today, whatever we are going to learn is all about the practical use to calculate the part of sum out of a whole. I mean, out of 100, how much part of the number is that we are going to learn. I mean, in any field, in any calculation, it may be in the number of students, it may be in the number of marks which you got in different subjects, it may be the populations of a particular locations, it may be any examples, it may be any number, it may be any amount, it may be anything. So whatever the value in hundreds, that we are going to learn. That means the value of hundreds means 1 by 100. Okay. So 1 by 100 means whatever the part of 100 out of, whatever the part of the number out of 100, that means percent. That hundreds word we used to write as cent. Cent means that hundreds, 1 by 100. So the chapter number is 9. So this percent this cent means the hundreds, okay, and the chapter name is percentage, okay. So this is the things which we are going to learn. And if we say that percentage of a number, we used to denote that in this. This is the denotation of percent. Okay. So if I say x percent, that means x hundreds. Okay. So that means x hundreds. That means x by 100. This is the actual meaning of the percentage. In place of x, the value may be any number. The x may be any value. Okay. So out of hundreds, how much part of the number is that? That is all about the percentage. Okay. So now the most important thing, how to convert percentage into fraction. So first type of question which you may ask, to convert percentage into fraction. So suppose 30% or 36% is given and it is asking that you have to convert this in fraction. So how we will convert? 36% means 36 by 100, 36 hundreds. Okay, so 36 divided by 100. If you cancel out this, it will go in 9 times. 4 9 are 36 and 425 are 100. So 9 divided by 25. This is in fraction. So because it is asking to convert percentage into fraction, so we have converted percentage into fraction. Okay. Sometimes it may ask to convert fraction into percentage also. Then what to do we will do? Here we have divided by 100. That means the hundreds of the number is the fractional part of that. Okay. So now let us see next what we have. And except that, let us take one more example, that is suppose 0.8%. So 0.8% if you want to convert into fraction, so this will also be 0.8 divided by 100. If you remove the decimal, it will be 8 divided by 1000. And if you convert this into fraction, 8 how many times it will go? So 4 2 are 8. 5 2 are 10. Okay, so 4 by 500, right? 4 by 500. No, again it will cut. So 125 times 125 times, that means 1 by 125. 1 by 125 will be the fraction of 0.8%. So this is how, if any percentage is given and if it is asking to convert into the fractional number, very simply we can convert by dividing with the 100. This is the first cases. Second cases, it may ask to convert percentage into decimal. So instead of fractions, it may be asked to convert into decimal. So suppose any percentage is given and you want to convert that into decimal, then how you can convert? So you can take these numbers also, or you can take another number also. Let us take another digit only. So now we are converting percentage into decimal. So suppose any number is given, for example 80% is given. 80% you want to convert into the decimal. So how can we convert? So very simply, first process will be to convert into the fraction only. So it will be 80 divided by 100. So 80 divided by 100, after 0 cancel out. Okay. And 4 2 are 8, 5 2 are 10. So 4 divided by 5. So the first process is we have to convert into the percentage into fractional number, then fractional number we will convert into the decimal. So if you convert this into decimal, 0 decimal 40 means 5 8 and 40. So 0.8, right? So 0.8 will be the decimal conversion of this 80%. 80% को अगर decimal में convert करेंगे तो 0.8 होगा, ठीक है? So this is how we can take one more example. Okay, or suppose it is 40%. So 40% is equal to how much? So this will be 40 divided by 100. Okay, so 0 cancel out, 2 2 are 4, 5 2 are 10. So this will be 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 0.20 means 5 4 are 20. So 0.4. So this is how you can convert any percentage first into the fractional number and then into the decimal. Okay. So now next topic or next type of questions, this it may be there to convert percentage just vice versa. I mean convert fraction into percentage now. Fraction into percentage. How can we convert any fractional number into percentage? So suppose any fractional number it is given, for example 7 by 25. So this you want to convert into percentage. So instead of dividing, now we will multiply by 100. तो जब भी हमें फ्रैक्शनल नंबर को परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना होता है तो हम लोग को मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है 100 से, राइट? सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस with 100, then it will be converted into percentage. So it will be 7 by 25 multiply 100%. So now 25 4 times 100. Okay. So 7 multiply 4% is equal to 28%. So 28% will be the percentage of 7 divided by 25, right? उसी तरह से suppose पूछा जाता है 3 divided by 4 fraction is equal to how much percentage? तो simply हम लोग कर सकते हैं 3 divided by 4 multiply 100%. So 425 times, right? 425 times is just opposite of that. So 325 times is 3 multiply 25 हो जाएगी. So 3 multiply 25 is 75, right? So 75% will be the required percentage. 3 by 4 means. Okay. So very simply, this is how you can convert one unit to another. Okay, if it is given in percentage, percentage to fraction. Okay, then percentage to you can convert into decimal, and then fraction to percentage. Okay, now let us see what else we have in this chapter. Now two more thing is there, which is converting ratio into percentage. Okay, so ratio into percentage. So how can we convert if any number is given in ratio into the percentage? So very simply we know the ratio means the in fractions we can write in fractions also we can write the ratio. So for example, if any ratio is given that 3:4, so 3:4 we can write 3/4. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator we used to write, or these are the first and second terms which of the ratio, and we can write it as 3/4, right? So 3/4, now we know how to convert fractional number into decimal. So to convert fractional number into decimal, we used to multiply with the 100. So 3/4 will be 3/4 multiply 100. This much of percentage. So 425 times 100. So 325 is 75%. So this is how, very simply, if any ratio is given, then we will convert that into fractional number first, and after that we know how to convert fraction into percentage. Okay, so this is how we can convert. So let us take one more examples you can take, or just opposite of that. Opposite of that means percentage to ratio. How can we convert? We will take. So now we will convert just percentage to ratio. So just vice versa, just opposite of that. So suppose कोई percentage में दिया हुआ है तो कैसे हम ratio में करेंगे? तो same process will be there. First we will convert percentage into fraction, and then fractions will be converted into the ratio. Okay, so just opposite, or just from the reverse actions. Okay, so here suppose any percentage is given. Suppose 36% is given. So 36% will be 36%. If you convert into decimal, it will be 36/100. So 36/100, if you reduce into the lowest fraction, then you have to check in which number or HCF of the number. So it will be 9 divided by 25. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. 4 times 25 is equal to 100. Okay. So 9 divided by 25 is the fraction. So if you now convert this fractional number into ratio, this will be 9:25. So 9:25 will be the required ratio of 36%. तो very simply कोई भी percentage अगर दिया हुआ रहता है, पहले हम लोग fraction में convert करेंगे. After that we will reduce it to the lowest fraction. Lowest fraction में reduce करने के बाद हम लोग जो है उसको fraction ratio में लिखेंगे. ठीक है? So this is how we can convert one unit to the another in percentage. Okay. Now see what else topics which we have in this chapter. Like if we talk about exercise 9a, first question is there only to express as a fraction. So decimal, so percentage is given, you have to write in fraction. So that means the numbers, this question is related to the converting percentage into fraction. So how can we convert percentage into fraction? So first one which we have is 48%. So 48% means, the percent means 48 divided by 100, right? So 48 divided by 100, if you reduce it to the lowest fraction, then it will come 4 times 4, 25 times is equal to 100, and 4, 1 are 4, 4, 2 are 8. 12 times 4 is equal to 48. So 12 divided by 25 I can see. Okay, so 12 divided by 25 will be the required fractions. Okay, and next one which we have is question number 3, which is 2 decimal 5%. So here decimal is there. So 2 decimal 5% means 2 decimal 5 divided by 100. If you remove the decimal, it 25 divided by 1000. So 4 times we know 25 is equal to 100. So 40, right? So this will be 1 divided by 14 fractions. Okay. So this is how we can convert any given fraction, any given percentage into fractions, right? बहुत easily हम लोग इस तरह से convert कर सकते हैं. Let us see the next question. Question number 2 is expressing as decimal. So this is given in percentage. You have to now convert into decimal. So we have learned that to converting percentage into decimal, first we have to convert percentage into fraction, and after that, after converting into percent lowest fractions, we can convert into the decimal. So here we have 6%. So 6% means first one 6 divided by 100. Okay. So 6 divided by 100 means if you reduce into the lowest fraction, 3 times 2, 3 2 are 6. Okay, and then 2 times 5 are 10. So 50, 3 by 50. So 3 divided by 50 means if you divide this, so it will be 0 decimal, this will be 40, then again 0, 300, 1 0 cancel, 5, 6 and 30, right? So 0.06 will be the answer. So किस तरह से डिवाइड करते हैं इसको देखने के लिए लेट्स सी 50 को अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो 3 को डिवाइड करते हो 50 से, तो सबसे पहले 0 डेसिमल देने के बाद एक 0 आता है. अभी भी ये नहीं जाता है तो हमें और एक 0 देना पड़ता है, तो 300 हो जाता है. तो अभी 50 times 6 are 5 6 are 30 and 0, so 300. So this is why this will be 0.06. Okay, now next one is we are taking question number 3. So question number 3 is 125%. So 125 divided by 100. So if you reduce this into the, if you want to cancel out this, it will goes in 5 times. 5 divided by 4, right? 425 are 100, 525 are 125. Okay. So यहाँ पे 25 times में कट जाता है 5 and 4. So this is 5 by 4 means you have to convert into decimal, then this will be 5 divided by 4. So 1 decimal, 2 4 are 20. So 2 5, 1 decimal 2 5 will be the answer. Okay, 1 decimal 2 5 will be the answer in decimal. So this is how very simply if any percentage is given, first you can convert that into fractional number, and after converting fractional number you have to convert into the decimal. Okay. Question number 3 is expressed as percentage. So here basically this is given in fraction, you have to convert into the percentage. So we have learned how to convert the fractional number into percentage by multiplying, right? So let us multiply this. So first one, if we solve, then 9 divided by 25 multiply 100%, right? So this now if you convert, then this will be 25 4 times, right? So 36%. Very simply, just opposite of that one we have already done. And next one which we have is question number 3. So 12 divided by 5 multiply 100%. So very simply 5 to a 10, 20. So 12 to a 24. So 240%. Okay. So this is how, if any number is given in fraction, very simply you can convert into the percentage. Now I hope you can solve question number 1 to 10 of this exercise. If you are having any doubts in any question, so we will discuss in our next class. Okay. So your today's homework is exercise 9A. Question number 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Try to solve up to 10. If any doubts, if you see many questions, we will discuss in our next class. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.